If you're looking for a pasta dish that looks like something you'd get at a restaurant, this video is for you. I was able to have this made in under 20 minutes and it made 4 servings. Start by heating your pan on medium heat, toss in some butter and let it melt, then add in 1.5 pounds of shrimp. As the shrimp is cooking, I'll add in both garlic powder and garlic salt. Add in as much or as little as you would like, depending on how much garlic you like. While your shrimp is cooking, get your pasta started. Use whatever pasta you like. I like the angel hair protein pasta, so I use that and let it cook for 10 minutes. Once your shrimp is cooked, you're ready to start adding in some of the other ingredients. I added a couple garlic cloves in there, and then I took cherry tomatoes, cut them in half, and tossed them in the pan with the shrimp. I'd say I used about a cup of cherry tomatoes, but again, use as much or as little as you like. It really doesn't matter. After the cherry tomatoes have been in the pan for about 2 minutes, then add a couple handfuls of spinach. It's okay if the spinach is overflowing out of the pan. As you mix it around, it'll start to warm up and shrink down. Let this sit for about 2 minutes and then take half a lemon and squeeze the lemon juice over top of it. Stir it around again just to make sure that lemon juice gets mixed in. Now it's time for the best and the final step, which is adding in the Alfredo sauce. You have to be careful with the Alfredo sauce brand that you get. There's a lot that have a bunch of unnecessary ingredients. Rao's seems to be the best that I can find so far. Still not perfect, so if there's other brands out there that you think are better, leave a comment and let me know. I'm always looking to find Alfredo sauce that has the least amount of ingredients as possible. Once you pour in the Alfredo sauce, turn your stove down to low heat and let this sit for about 5 minutes, just until the sauce starts to bubble a little bit so you know it's warm. By now your pasta should be done cooking, so strain all the water out. Add it to your plate, and you're ready to go. If you give this recipe a try, please let me know in the comments how it turns out. If you're new to the channel, the goal is to provide videos in under 3 minutes of recipes that are healthy and straight to the point. If it's something you enjoyed, please subscribe to the channel for more.